The president of the Voice of the People's Party, Ardent Basaiawmoit, stated that the party would launch a series of agitations against the MDA-II government, beginning with a public rally at Motphran on April 22, 2026. He said that the proposed agitation would be anchored on 8 core demands. Ardent Basaiawmoit said that the foremost demand was for the scrapping of the proposed project at Lumpongdeng, asserting that the move was necessary to safeguard land and protect environment. He pointed out that the issue had already gained momentum throughout the efforts of the Green Tech Foundation, which was currently staging a hunger strike at Madan Malki to pressurize the government to revoke the lease of the site for the proposed Taj Umiam Resort and Spa. The VPP president, while demanding transparency and autonomy in the functioning of the district selection committees as well as the Meghalaya Public Service Commission in matters relating to recruitment, added that the party was also seeking the protection of teachers' rights by calling for the withdrawal of policies deemed detrimental to their interests. Basaiawmoit said that the VPP was also pressing for a halt on the re-employment of retired personnel in order to create opportunities for the youth. He emphasized the need to safeguard community land and to curb the alleged illegal trade of land and sand. He further stated that the party was demanding stringent measures to check illegal infiltration and to ensure the safety of residents living in border areas. He added that the VPP was also calling for the closure of coke and cement factories in the interest of environmental protection and public health, besides demanding the identification and deportation of illegal immigrants.
The Voice of the People Party Kakwa Ban Pinpana Shikipai Ba Nong Shong Shnong Hagri Hasi Jaintia Barokawi Ba hakajing keduk ke bekerki kalau shim mi karai ban sedang no ya kajing ki pat ba persyak ya ke sarkar ke mutlak ke sarkar ke ba pechil yang khamat bat ke sarkar ke ba nyubing ba nyupo ya ke jat benri kidon shibun kimat kiba ke parti kalarai manra Shikipat ba kabakentuk ya karukom trikam jong ki DSC bat ke MPSC hagde ba thungkam thungcham kajinge jingino hikai hagde ba marian bat kumjuru kajinge penksan bat jinge pene juga sarkar hagde bat ka project haulum pongdeng nalor ki wepa di kumbang ila penpau basyan ngin hak ban sedang ora kejiki pai ba ka batenge ban pin ko ngu igani ka sarkar ban pin bai ya kini ki jinge kiba kum ga jat beri ya kendo nadu ki beri ki basong si jaga kapot ban iso ba kum ka party ngi ma shu ban shu up lani ban shu hun ha ki jing pin shai jaga sarkar Denmark kata kadau ke parti kalarai ba nadu kani katayo ke banwan ka parti kan sedang ya ke jeki dak ba sedang ban pelong ya ke jingalang pai ba jing penchai pai ba halo ki mat ki babun ki ba ka parti kan penbana bangi don kam bangin snufu kum ka jat menri bakani kalau di kapor ini bangin yang rang ba khana ba ki jing penjat ya ke ribe ya ke jat menri kanum beteng bat bagala manonra kajing yada nagabanta kilongdin ki mandin tikumta daga minsim ka basmukhya kum unoilam juga Voice of the People Party ngawer ban ngakot yiki pajba jungri hi barokoi bakin mi pajba banwan ban sngap dala ki jungi skor ya ka ke bangi kum ginoilam ngidon ban pinsha Haswa bangin penjur bat penkanya ke jiki pajba pan penkongu ika soka halor kimat ki kerki kimat ki badongkam nagamata kari bat kajat ndri baro kawi jing sedang jong ni ke jing lang pat ba kan sedang haka arpu artrik kabalong ke si bang daga bangin pelong ya ke jing lang pat ba ha Motphran hakapor arbiji hakani ke jing lang on pensyai ya kita kimat ki bakta ya ke jat ben riu ba ya ke rihi borok kui sai sin ada kerpat ya ki pat ba bakin mi syakmat kum kedak jong ke jing kershan ya ke ni ke jing sedang jong ke je khi ke jungi ban pin ko ngu ya ke sorka bat ngin lek ru keleng-keleng ban pensyai ya ki pat ba hashwa bangin shim ya ke sen jam ke be te kumta kapati kapensyai bat pensau shi pat ba nong shong shno daga ba kentu juriki bangim dai ban bu por ngim dai ban tengkai ka por ka jing dai bangin mi ban pini ka jilong kawai ka jirenti halok ni ki mat ki bakta jur ya kari baga jat ri kublai shimon